Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple tabs, trying to keep track of all the amazing inspiration you find on Pinterest for your projects? Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to bring all that visual goodness directly into your Notion workspace, creating a dynamic and organized hub for all your creative ideas. First, navigate to Pinterest and open the specific board you want to embed into Notion. This could be for mood boards, recipe collections, design inspo, or anything else. Once you're on your chosen board, look for the share icon. It's usually a small arrow pointing upwards or a paper airplane, often located near the top of the page. Click on that share icon. From the sharing options that appear, you'll want to select Copy Link. This action copies the direct URL of your Pinterest board to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Notion workspace. Open the page where you want your Pinterest board to live. This could be a dedicated project page, a personal dashboard, or wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. In your Notion page, type the / symbol and then type Embed. You'll see an Embed option appear in the menu. Select that. A new block will appear with a field to paste your link. Simply paste the Pinterest board URL you copied earlier into this field. Instantly, your entire Pinterest board will appear directly within your Notion page. You can then resize this embed block to fit perfectly into your layout. Now you have a visually stunning and easily accessible collection of inspiration right at your fingertips, all within your streamlined Notion workspace for ultimate project organization and collaboration.